Hello to everyone, here is Cool English 101 and welcome to another lesson from Passive Voice. Before we're going to study how to make passive voice, let's study what kind of sentences can't be written in passive voice. So without further ado, let's get this started. There are four kind of sentences which can't be written in passive voice. The first and most important kind of sentences which can't be written in passive voice are the kind of sentences which contain intransitive verbs. What is intransitive verb? Intransitive verb is a verb which doesn't take object. Like cry, walk, come, etc. Okay? For example, the baby cries. See, the verb cry doesn't take any object because the meaning is complete. It can stand by its own. Second, she came late. In here, late is an adverb, not an object. Third, we had walked in the park when it started to rain. The verb walk doesn't take an object. So these kind of sentences can't be written in passive voice. So in the next video, we'll talk about the next kind of sentence which can't be written in a passive voice. Hey, if you like to speak clearly and confidently, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.